Hello Ganofins, this is your Ganofins here and welcome back to C programming tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to tell you about the union in C programming language. Like a structure, union in C language is a user-defined data type that is used to hold different type of elements, but it does not occupy sum of all members size. It occupies the memory of largest member only. It shares memory of largest member. Let me show you the syntax of union. It is similar to structure, but just you have to type here union and then the union name, which can be anything. For example, A, then after that curly brackets, after that you have to type the data type, for example integer, q like as character, u semicolon, and after here semicolon. You can add many more data types inside this. You can define many data types in a union. It is different from structure because it stores the memory of largest member only. It shares memory of largest member. But in structure, every different elements hold different its own different size. Now let's see an example of this union. Now as you can see here, these are the header files: include stdio.h, include conio.h. This is the void, main is the function, curly bracket union. Here is the starting of the union, and here I gave union as employee, curly brackets, the integer data type, id, character, name is the variable, character is the data type, and this is the array of 20 characters. E1 like as the b1, if you remember in structure I gave after that, this E1 is used to store the ID and name inside this union. I will explain you. You will get understood it automatically when you will see the output of this program. Now here this is the printf enter id, which displays the message enter id. Scanf is used to store the id, and here I use the percentage %d, and is used to store, and here is the second message printf enter name, where you have to enter your name. Percentage %s means string. If you have string, then you have to type percentage %s. If you have character, then you have to type percentage %c, even dot name, which will I forget to add here the end, sorry for this, and this is used to store the name. Now after that printf, this is used to display the stored id, and this is used to display the stored name of employee. GetSys is used to display the output of the program. Clear screen is used to clear the screen of previously run output of that program. Now let's run this program and see what will happen. Now we have to enter the ID, for example 123, name will be Ganofins here, and now, oh, what the hell is this? Well, from the output of the program, I hope you understood about this program. Okay, if you have any query or question regarding to this union in C language, then you can ask me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching the video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for getting updates with my channel.